Good morning, students. Today we are start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, squares and square root. Now my first question is that what is the square of a number? A square is a product of a number by itself is called square of a number. That means a number when multiplied by itself is called square of that number. That means if I write here square of 4, that means 4 multiplied by itself, which value is equal to 16. Next topic is perfect square. When a natural number is multiplied by itself is called perfect square of that number. That means when a natural number get multiplied by itself is called perfect square of that number. See children, you all know about natural number. All counting numbers, that is starting from 1 to infinity, up to infinite numbers are called natural number. That means any number that we can take, say that number is multiplied by itself is called perfect square of that number. Okay, next exercise number 3a, question number 1. Using prime factorization method, find which of the following numbers are perfect square. Children, here I taken only 3 questions out of 8 questions. We have to solve here only 3. Now my question is, what are prime factors? See, in your previous class that you have get knowledge about prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only one as a factor and number itself. That means they have only 2 factors, number itself and 1 only. So here we only take prime numbers to be find out which of the numbers, given numbers are prime perfect squares. Now first one, 441. So that 441 see, as you have already a knowledge of test of divisibility of a number, so here we see the number in one's place is 1, and after that 2 numbers that are 4 and 4. So if we get their sums, that is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, that 9 it comes in the table of 3. So this number is being divided by 3. 3 is a prime number since its factors are 1 and 3. 3 ones are 3, 1, 3 fours are 12, 3 sevens are 21. Again 3 fours are 12, 3 nines are 27. Now 49 is to be divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. That means 441 is a perfect square number because its factors are 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, which is a perfect square, because here 3 is being multiplied by itself, 7 is being multiplied by itself. These are all natural numbers. These are also prime numbers. The product of this number is 441. Now third, 11025. 11025. Again, first of all, we have to try it with 3. Sum of this number 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So that this number is also get divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 carry, that is 20. 3 6 are 18. Again 2 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Now sum of this number 3 6 7 5. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 3 21. Again 21 is divided by 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. See, now sum of the number is around 10. So, and its unit digit is 5, so that this number is get divided by 5. 5 twos are 10, 2, 5 fours are 20, 5 5s are 25. Again this 245 is being divided by 5. 5 fours are 20, 5 nines are 45. Now this 49 is also get divided by 7 sevens are 49. Here we again see the numbers are in square form, pair form, 3 into 3. That means this natural number is being multiplied by 3, which is a perfect square. 5 is multiplied by 5 is again perfect square. Into 7 is also shown square of natural number, which is a perfect square. So number 11025 is a perfect square number. Next one is question number 8. That is 1089. See, sum of the numbers, sum of the digits present in the number, that is 1089 is equal to 18. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 plus 9 is 8, 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. That means we have to, first of all, by using 3, factorize 1089. 3 3s are 9. 1 carry, 3 6s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Next 121 is divisible by 11, because if we go through the test of divisibility, that odd and even place numbers present in first and third place is 1 1. Sum of these two numbers is 2, and 2 subtracted by 2 gives 0. If odd and even place numbers are being added and they are get subtracted by each other, if their difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then it divided by 11, so that this number being divided by 11. 11 11s are and 11 1s are 11. Hence 1089 3 into 3, 11 into 11, which shows 1089 is a perfect square number. Our second question, here we see two questions are there. These questions are to be, first of all, find out whether they are perfect square or not. If they are perfect square number, then they are square of which number, that we have to find out. Now first of all 2601, so that resolving into prime factors. Again divisible by 3. Now 289 is a number which is only divisible by 17. 17 is also a prime number, that is 17 17s are and 17 ones are. Therefore factors of 26601 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17, which shows that 2601 is the product of equal factors. Therefore 2601 is a perfect square. Now second part of the question, we have to find out the number whose square is 2601. So that here again we have to write down the factors of 2601. Square of 3 multiplied by square of 17, which is equal to 3 into 17's whole square, equal to 17 3s are 51, square of 51. That means 51 is the number whose square is 2601. Now next question is 7056. Again so that 7056 to be factorized first by using prime factors. 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Again divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 3 7s are 14, 1 3 6s are 12, 3 4s are 2 4s are 8. Two 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 1 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now 441, that is again divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, and 49 is divisible by 7. Now children, here we see the factors of 7056 equal to square of 2 multiplied by square of 2 multiplied by square of 3 multiplied by square of 7. That shows that 7056 is the product of equal factors. Therefore 7056 is a perfect square. Now we have to find out the number whose square is 7056. So that again we have to write down factors of 7056. 7056 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7's whole square. Because here we are already written, write down that is 2 square of 2 square of 2 multiplied by square of 3 multiplied by 7 square, so that we need not repeat it again. So factors, prime factors 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 7, so whole square is equal to 7056, or their product is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So that hence 84 is the number whose square is 7056.